This week on Dayline Schools, we're learning how to start putting together that financial package so our kids can make it through college once they graduate from high school, and some of the resources that are out there to help make this all possible. And tell us all about it, my special guest is Jo Cassar. She's the Director of Financial Aid at St. Clair County Community College. And Jo, first couple of days, we talked about the FAFSA and the need for the parents to get that financial picture, so to speak, filed with the federal government. But then where can kids start looking to get scholarships and grants and other monies that may be available for school?
So first place, and probably one of the most convenient places students can start, Terry, is right there in their own high school. Check with their high school guidance counseling office. There are a lot of the high schools out there who have scholarships that are specific for their students. So instead of applying for national scholarships, while some of us may want to encourage and do, we're now competing with our senior class, right? So a little bit smaller. So high school guidance counselor's office, definitely the college financial aid office, the college admissions office, because they will have admission scholarships that the student can qualify for, such as based on their SAT and GPA requirements. But then the financial aid office has other funds that the student may need to apply specifically for. Check out with parent employers, perhaps as a benefit, the parent's employer offers a scholarship. Religious organizations, community organizations, such as Knights of Columbus, Kiwanis clubs. You'll definitely want to check with the Community Foundation as well. Here in St. Clair County, we have the Community Foundation of St. Clair County, and the foundation offers scholarships to students to attend anywhere. Yes, some are specific for SC4, but as long as they're a St. Clair County resident, they can apply for any scholarship that they may be eligible for.
And then we're fortunate too with our community foundation, for those who may have moved out of the community, they'll help and reverse to get you back into the community too.
Absolutely.
I think it's a pretty cool program.
It absolutely is. And it helps us keep our own, right? And helps us grow the community, which is what it's all about.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. Dayline Schools